guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys know, yes, I just started baking in Ireland, and recently I've been comparing the ingredients I have to bake with to see which one is best. So I said to film this one for you. So then I'm going to be comparing this red food coloring from Goodalls to this red food coloring from Lidl. Okay, so I used this last week and I wasn't too impressed with the color, so I'm going to use this week, and I kept some of the cake from last week to show you guys the difference. So, and I'm going to be using it in the same recipe at equal amount, so I'm going to show you. But to be fair though, this is a lot more expensive. This is, I can't remember, this is about 2 or almost 3 euros, and this was about 1, I can't really remember, but I'm going to put the price down right here so you guys can see. So let's get started, guys.
Okay, so guys, we are going to be using the Goodalls red food coloring. So I used half first, which is what I did last week to check the color, but I didn't like the color that much, so I decided to use the remaining. But let me show you guys what using half looks like. Yeah, it might be okay for you if you don't like your red food coloring to be, you know, too red, because some people feel like when it's too red it has an artificial color. But I think if it's red, I don't know, I just like it to be very red. It's just, you know, personal preference. So if you want this recipe, I'm going to put a link right up here. It's a recipe you can make without a mixer, because I don't have a mixer at the moment, so I've kind of adjusted my recipes to not need mixers. Yeah, convenient, yeah, I know. So you don't need a mixer for this recipe. So if you want, I'm going to put the link right up here. It says click on me, yeah, click on that. Okay, so this is it with half, but I felt it wasn't really enough, so I added the remaining. But what I noticed was it had a taste like, there is, I don't know how to describe the taste, but there's a noticeable taste of, it tastes like preservative. I don't know, but you can try it and see. But it's, I think this is a lot redder than the one I made last week. I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like before baking, so when it comes out of the oven we're going to see if it's going to get darker or if it's going to retain its color. Okay, so this was what it looks like before going into the oven, and I think it looks okay. Let's see what it looks like when it comes back out. And this was Goodalls, so I'm going to show you guys what Lidl red food coloring looks like when I used it. But I think I prefer this color though. But moving on. Okay, so this is me using Lidl red food coloring, and at this point, it's important for you guys to know that it's the same recipe. It's exactly the same recipe. So if you want to see this recipe, I already put the link, but you can check the description box below. The same recipe and the same amount. That was what I was making. Okay, so I think the Lidl is a lot duller and feels more like pink, because I used half at first and it wasn't intense at all. It was too dull, and then I used the remaining. Yeah, for me it still was too dull. And when I posted this on my TikTok, there were people that said that the dull color is a lot better because it looks more natural and it has more, like, it doesn't look as artificial as the very bright red color. That's the very bright red color. And another thing to note is the fact that they both had an aftertaste. I don't know how to explain it, but they both had an aftertaste. I baked for several years, so like when I taste a cake that has an aftertaste, I know it, but I don't know what it tastes like, and I don't know where it came from. But in this case, it came from the food coloring, so they both had an aftertaste. So if you're going to be using them, you should bear that in mind. And this was after I came out. See how much duller it looked. I didn't really like it, so I think I'm going to. And this was the Goodalls. The Goodalls looked a lot better, and I preferred it. So if you guys will be doing this, which one do you prefer? Do you prefer your cake to look dull or really bright and artificial? Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next tutorial. If you try this out, please leave me a comment in the comment section, because I'll be glad. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my future videos. Bye.